The Holden Torana LX SS represents a pivotal chapter in Australian automotive history, emerging in February 1976 as the performance variant of Holden's mid-size lineup. The LX series introduced Australia's first domestic hatchback, a three-door design influenced by the Chevrolet Monza, featuring a power-assisted lift-up door mounted on concealed hinges with gas-filled support struts. The SS designation offered buyers multiple engine configurations, a 3.3-liter six-cylinder and two versions of the Australian-built V8, the standard 308 cubic inches, 5-liter, producing approximately 190 brake horsepower. The manual 5-liter SS hatchback commanded $7,275 in 1976, while the six-cylinder variant cost $6,088. Power transmitted through a 4-speed M21 manual transmission to the rear axle, though upgraded T10 gearboxes became desirable for modified applications. The hatchback's design prioritized aesthetics over practicality. The shallow cargo area featured a split rear seat for versatility, with the spare wheel concealed beneath the rear floor. The distinctive floor console incorporated lower-level ventilation outlets, floor shift lever housing, push-button radio, and switches for optional heated rear window and driving lights. The exterior displayed a prominent SS grille centerpiece, ducktail spoiler lip, and styled plastic hubcaps, deliberately avoiding the extreme flares and scoops of the SLR 5000 or L34 variants. The optional A9X package, designed for touring car homologation, transformed the SS into a racing weapon. A9X specifications included a reverse-facing hood scoop, four-wheel disc brakes, heavy-duty 10-bolt differential, reinforced axles, and modified rear floor pan pressings. The LX Torana dominated Australian motorsport, winning the 1978 and 1979 Australian Touring Car Championships and consecutive Bathurst 1000 victories in 1978 and 1979, the latter by over 6 laps with Peter Brock driving. Production ceased in 1978, yet the LX SS remains highly collectible. Authentic, unmodified examples command six-figure prices, with originality paramount. Many SS hatchbacks received A9X-style modifications, flares, scoops, long-range fuel tanks, which now diminish value as collectors prioritize factory-correct specifications. The lightweight three-door body, weighing less than the sedan, combined with V8 power, created an engaging driver's car that cemented the Torana's legendary status in Australian performance culture.